Black Tourmaline cube. This is 1-inch cube. Black Tourmaline is one of the most powerful and most popular crystals when it comes to protection from negativity, evil eye. It also helps to save you from the electromagnetic radiations. It also helps to build immunity in kids as well as adults. It helps you to ground yourself. It helps in phases when you feel anxiety. How you can use this cube is, you can put this cube on your workspace. You can take it for your kids or your spouse or for yourself. Keep it at the workplace or study table. Whenever you feel anxiety, just take it in your hand and just rub it or just hold it and take deep breaths. It will help you ground instantly. This can also be kept as a decor piece or as a paperweight on your work table, because this helps you to save against electromagnetic radiations. So if you're working on a laptop whole day, then keeping this beside you is a very good idea. This also helps to save you against evil eye and Nazar. So if you feel that your child or yourself or your spouse is affected by other people, Nazar, because you are doing good in your business or work, then this will help you to save against that Nazar also. And of course, you can hold this and meditate with the intention of grounding the unnecessary extra energies. You can also put it under your pillow, a fat pillow of course, but because it can dug into the pillow at night to just clear away all the negativity from you. Very versatile cube, and the finishing is very good. The natural aberrations that you see are of black tourmaline. That means that this is a natural stone, not a man-made black one. So just grab this beauty away.